I will not allow you to pick a fight with gods.
I don't want to fight anyone.
Welcome back to Stupid Stuff, and in today's video we will be discussing about the top 10 upcoming games of 2022. In 2021, we have witnessed the release of some great games in multiple genres, making the player to demand more. So year 2022 will be a crucial year in gaming industries as various publishers are looking to break the charts. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 10, Stalker 2. This is the fourth game in this series and is all set to release in April 2022. This game is based on survival horror and is a first-person perspective game. This game is based on post-apocalyptic world with a glimpse of radioactive wasteland, just like its predecessors. Earlier this game was cancelled and finally it is arriving in mid-2022. Number 9, Monster Hunter Rise. This game is the sixth game in the series and is all set to release in January 2022. This is the most anticipated game, especially after this year's positive Nintendo Switch release. Like its all other games, player is a hunter slaying monster using weapons, tools and environmental damages. The verticality of the map in this new game is enhanced compared to its previous game. Number 8, Gran Turismo 7. This game is the 8th installment in the series and is all set to release on March 4, 2022. This game is the most awaited game of the year because of the return of a long established simulation mode. Its gameplay menu is similar to the menu style of Gran Turismo 4. The classic features like special events, driving schools, tuning part shop and traditional racing track will all be a part of the game. Number 7, Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Extraction.
Not so fast.
Target the breacher!
It is a tactical shooter game developed by Ubisoft Montreal. It is a multiplayer game that can support up to 3 players. Operators from Siege returns in Extraction, as they have formed the Rainbow Exogenous Analysis and Containment Team, REACT, in order to contain the alien threat. Player can choose their own unique operator from a pool of 18. Each operator has a unique weapon and gadgets to try with. Number 6, Dying Light 2. This game is an upcoming survival horror game scheduled for a February 2022 release. It is a sequel of the Dying Light game from 2015. It will be an open world environment after a zombie apocalypse. The game will feature a new protagonist with insane parkour skills. Mechanics are way more smooth and polished than its previous installment, as shown in the trailers. This is undoubtedly one of the most desired games of 2022, as Dying Light received a positive response from fans. Number 5, Gotham Knights. This game is an action role-play game and is all set to release in the upcoming year. Player is a superhero RPG based characters from DC Comics. This story revolves around the city of Gotham after the death of Batman, featuring the Court of Owls. Player can control 4 superheroes who appeared after the death of Batman, namely Nightwing, Robin, Batgirl and Red Hood. This makes it one of the most awaited games of 2022 since player would experience conflicts with secret criminal society. Number 4, Hogwarts Legacy.
The journey ahead will reveal what you stand for.
This is an upcoming open world action role-playing game set in late 1800s. Players will be a student at Hogwarts. They have to choose their Hogwarts house and have to attend classes and explore an open world consisting of locations including Forbidden Forest and Hogsmeade Village. Player will also be able to customize their characters, voice, body type and whether they are a witch or wizard. The game will feature many locations from the Harry Potter movie and it will be a treat to eyes. Number 3. Elden Ring.
Brandish the Elden Ring. For all of us.
This is also an action role-playing game and is scheduled to be released in February 2022. It is played in a third-person perspective mode and features elements similar to those found in its predecessors. Combat and exploration is the main focus in the gameplay. Elden Ring is a collab between the author of Game of Thrones and the creator of Dark Souls series. So Elden Ring is hands down the most anticipated games of 2022. Number 2. Horizon Forbidden West.
There won't be anyone left to stop what's coming.
This is one more action role-playing game which is all set to be released in February 2022. It is a sequel of Horizon Zero Dawn of 2017 and it features an open world in an post-apocalyptic western United States. It is also played from a third-person perspective and player controls Aloy, a huntress in a world populated by dangerous machines. The game will explore the mysterious frontier known as Forbidden West. One of the main additions to the sequel is the element of underwater exploration. Mysteries beneath the surface of seas, lakes and rivers are discovered in this game, making it the most awaited game of 2022. Number 1. God of War Ragnarok.
In moments of crisis, panic does nothing. Harness it. Let it serve you.
Sony is planning the release of its much anticipated game of 2022, God of War Ragnarok. In this game, Kratos has embraced his new role as his son's father, and both the duo are on a mission to find a giant Norse god. In the months following the game's announcement in September 2020, many gaming journalists and websites regarded the sequel as one of their most anticipated games. The game won award for Most Wanted Game and Most Anticipated Game from the 2020 Golden Joystick Awards and PlayStation Blog Awards, respectively. So this is it for today's video. Let me know your favorite game from the list and the one which you cannot wait for. Thank you for watching the video.